All right, back we go. It is February 2nd. Do another video. We're going to go over GME, cost, and AMC. All right, so these are all the high flyers, the big Reddit story, Wall Street taking down the hedge funds. These are all coming back pretty hard. Let's see where they're going, where they might go, what is happening here. So, some water. All right, so this moved. Yeah, this moved back in October. This was like 5. See this little move, little move. This was the big blip right here. January 13th, this really exploded. Did a little F pattern, moved up 150, really gapped up to 350 plus. Then you had this big day. Look at this back and forth. This one as high as 483, as low as 112. And then this bounced. Then the high got lower. Then it's tried again. Look at this move all the way up. Couldn't get over this 150. And here we are now. You have stochastic sliding down. And let's take a look at the monthly here. You have a big green bar. This looks like a penny stock. They shot it way up, came down. The weekly, same thing. Yeah, the 4 hour now. See this front side? Got a big spinning in the middle. And this is a misprint. I don't think that happened. So it's really like this now. You have, a triangle here. It's got to break this. You're very oversold. You're at an 8. It's very, stochastically, it's very oversold. What's the move here? So 2 hour, you can see the hour, 30 minutes. So we're sort of flattening. It's trying to flatten here near 80 or 93. You draw a nice line right down here. Now you can draw right here. So it looks like a big, maybe a triangle. Maybe this is a falling wedge. You draw it right about there. Then if you draw your lines here, see this, you want these to connect? That looks like a falling wedge. So you have your big space. See, this doesn't, it goes too far out. So this sort of ruins the pattern, but look at all your lines that connect. So take that out, you go back and forth, you're squeezing, you're getting lower, getting tighter. We're at 480, 466 on a 30 minute. If this starts to flatten, go sideways, we could move up. The first thing I'm seeing here is that 150 and then this gap right at 220. I think we can reach that. Look at that. See that? Look at the 15 minute. Big move, wide, wide to tight. 10 minute, look at this. You see it's starting to sideways flatten. 392 in the 10 minute. So there you take a look at that. Yeah, it could even be a giant pennant, or a flag. Move up. But it's so far down, it's called a wedge. It's a falling wedge. So that's where we are. It's extremely oversold. It's been pushed down pretty hard. And we got to get over that 150 level now. 150 is big. You really want it to hold, this bottom wick now, the 70, 74-ish, or else you could be going down to 60 level. So let me see here on FinViz. Yeah, FinViz don't have any lines because it's so complicated right now. There's nothing going on with that. But look at them levels. See if we can break up tomorrow 150 plus, whoever trades this or whatever you do with this, and we'll see if this holds the low. We'll see if this has more to go down before a big bounce. All right, so that's GME. Let's look at costs. Cost was going flat forever. Take this out. Flat forever at this like 265 level. Look at this stock. It hasn't done anything. It had a blip here in 2018, and then it exploded up. 25th January. There's the explosion up. Big candle. Look at this stock. This bar right here went to 127.45. Look at that width. Came down, bounced the next day, and then your high is getting lower now. Now this one's at right at this 21 level. 20s right here. Your 1320 EMAs here. If this drifts back a little more, you're going right back to this. No, it's just, what is this level completely? 269, 275-ish. And look at your stochastics. It's rolling back. It looks like it keeps wanting to turn a little bit. So you're almost there. I don't think there's much more downside. Although going down to here, that's still pretty far. But I think you're going to get a bounce here eventually. The monthly, big wick, sideways. Weekly, there's a daily. So here's the 4 hour. Straight up in the 4 hour. Coming down. See, it's flattening. Well, stochastics is at 12, but see, it's trying to flatten a little bit here. So you're only going, yeah, you're going pretty much, if this doesn't hold, then you're going right back to 10 or 3. It's pretty clear here. Your front side, it's like a pyramid now. 2 hour. There's your 1 hour. Your 30. See this 30 flattening? See, it's not going straight down there. You're sideways. You're sideways. You can draw a line on this one, too. So, you know, draw your line right here like this. It's more like this, but see like that, and then you draw it like this, and you have descending triangle. See right up here, the high, got lower, lower. The low's holding now, right, but it's holding right now, so it looks like that. So it looks like a triangle, descending, and you know, that's what it looks like at this point. So we'll see if this holds, and then we come up, and this breaks above. So if this breaks above 20, and we're at 21 now, you know, what's the next line? You have 30. 40, there's a lot of resistance, and then, you know, right in the 60 zone, I would say. On CAS, there's the 15, and here's the 10. There you see it. So this is pulling back pretty hard. I think we get a bounce soon, and you know, let's see if it happens. AMC, let's take a look at this. Yeah, AMC Finviz has a big line now. They have it from July to here. It's a big wedge now. So this one went above 7, all the way up to here, almost like 20, like a jet fighter. See the tail, and it pushes, just pulled back, you know, bounced up, pulled back again. You have your 7 line, 1320 EMA. See this, how it rocketed up, but it pushed right back down. So this one's trying to turn right here at the 50 mark on stochastics. That could be a good turn, and we break up. Now, on the monthly on this, you see this up and down. Years ago, double top, and then came down. Big wick. A weekly, you can see it and break out. The 4 hour, I think that's a misprint too. You see it move up, sharp move back, bounced again. Now we're back. The 2 hour, you can see this like a pattern developing now, an hour. If you draw your line right down here to here, this is another one. It looks like a descending triangle. Your high keeps getting lower, lower, but that low's holding. Look where the low's holding. 7, 7, 7, 7. Looking at 30 minutes. So you've touched 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And you keep drawing your line here. So, yeah, it seems like it's bottoming here at this 7. That's a big cross here, too. A reversal cross. 15, 10. Now you get a daily. That's the reason why 7. Look back. All the way back February last year, June, September. Then we went up again this year. So this is what I'm seeing in this. So 7 is a good hold right now. You know, if this can hold tomorrow, even it might bounce along there. I think this can get back up to 13. If we get a good bounce, can possibly get back to 13. Yeah, if this doesn't hold, you're back in here, and anything's possible. This could go 5, 3, back to 2. So we'll see if there's a bounce on this. On AMC, everything's being crushed right now, so we'll see in these stocks. So that's my thoughts on these 3 plays. Yeah, very volatile to trade them. And just wait for another pattern to develop. It looks like they're trying to develop this, like, the highs going like this, and then we're holding, then a move up. I've seen that before too. So you might get another bounce here for longs. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Smash the like button on YouTube. Trade ideas link. My referral, Twitter, Mike Frank 007, TikTok, Mike Frank III, Instagram, Mike Frank 98, Stock Twitch, Mike Heyman Trades. Check it out. All right, that's it. Peace.